Napadayo ka na diyo, pila diyo.
Welcome to another A Day in My Life series with the breaking news. The palace issued a memorandum saying that work in government offices on October 31st will only be up to 12 noon to give employees enough time to prepare for All Saints' Day. This teacher, upon arrival, immediately fixed herself and had chismes first thing in the morning with her co-worker. She's doing nothing in her first hours as it's her vacant time, but sooner realized to install internet connection and had a little chit-chat with this cute little boy. The boy was very curious in what she's doing and tried to help but left her afterwards. She successfully installed her new SIM card but hoping this was sponsored. Time is very important, so she utilized it by checking some activity sheets and summative tests. While checking, she still managed to have chismes again with her co-workers. Good thing she influenced her co-workers to also do the same thing in checking laboratory reports and making lesson plans on their vacant time. And since it's a long weekend, the students help the teacher in maintaining the cleanliness of the classroom, and after that, it's another round of chica and disturbing this co-worker. Resting for a while, and when the clock strikes at 12, everyone goes out in their respective nests. And that's the latest news. Charot! Murag true. Excited na dito may manguli, guys. Anyway, mo na niyan true, guys. We went to Korean Samgyeopsal restaurant in Tangasan, Valladolid, Karkar. This is just across Fast Auto World. They just opened last September and they still have their ongoing promos for $199 and $299 and $399. So you can just check the other video that I have, because I have a separate video on this one, man. So just watch it and enjoy watching us eat for the meantime. Kidding aside, we were classmates in college before, and we were blockmates to be specific, and we were all from South Cebu, and luckily we graduated together as well. We work in the same division but took us several years to be in the same school. So, if you want to see us together and know more about us, comment down below the things that you want us to do. Charot! I'm feeling! By the way, this is the only time that our schedule is the same, even though we are working in the same school because of the shifting. Di man halata no nga dog lover, misa. Wait for the transition kung asa na sa gupunta in 1, 2, 3, pop! Went to the shop to fit my dress, and if you guys want to rent some gowns, tuxedos, and more, you can have it here in Sabonga, and they have student discounts, and their shop is fully air conditioned, so you can wait for your friends comfortably here. Last gana for today is to attend the second opening of my cousin's apartment and her birthday celebration too. They are located in Hanson Street, Poblacion, Sabonga, Cebu. And again, don't forget to hit like, share, and hit the notification bell to be updated, and ending it with a wow!